What is going on, everybody? We're going to hit us up some Risk of Rain today. I don't know how far I can get. It's been a long time since I played it. The last time I played this was on the PS Vita. Yeah, I kind of did already start to get past some of the boring. But I think that's alright. Some of it is a little boring. So if there's new stuff on the Steam version, I won't be aware of it. So that's going to be fun. I look forward to that. Is this a thing? No. Gonna get that for sure. There's a thing down there. I don't know how to get it. The mortars are so helpful. What? He teleported on me. Oh, he missed. Wait a second, what's this? Is this a thing? Is that a thing? Kind of looks like a thing, but I have no idea. I really don't. Seems like there is some differences on the Steam version and the PS Vita version. PS Vita version's all I know. So I guess you get to embark on this journey with me. So that's going to be cool. Uh-oh. Chest. We want chests. We want all the chests we can get. Gosh. Goodness, how much does he have? Seems like every once in a while I've got a delay with my controller. Oh, we want that for sure. And that, we want to get that too. Oh. Oh, there's more stuff. Gotta get that stuff. I think we want this, right? Right? I think. Yes, we definitely wanted that. Oh, done been over here. Don't need to go that way again. Mostly on the hunt for more chests and stuff, which I think I done passed. Yeah, we want that chest up there. That's good. We could definitely use that. For sure. There is secrets and I'm not sure how to get them. Might should go up there too. Oh, we done been up here. Is this a secret? It is. We got one. We got our first secret. Well, it looks like I may have been here before. I've been here before. I've recorded playing this game one time, but the audio was so terrible I didn't even bother uploading it. It should be much better now. Oh, we're good. Whoa, climbing the tree. Oh, we've got money, and I want to spend it. Done bought that. Well, I'm not sure what else to do. Goodness, their range is really far. Nothing over here. I don't know how to get that down there either. I guess let's just go. I guess. Golly. Oh man. Just gonna stand here a minute. I would really like to get that secret, but I don't know how. Can I jump down? Don't know how to do it. Nope. I really don't know. Maybe it's something we gotta come back to? Maybe? Quit hitting my robot! Oh crap, I forgot about that again. Such a big dummy. Oh, they're messing me up. I think. I don't know. I can't see my health bar right now when I'm recording a video. That sounded like it hurt. I don't know. Why didn't I use this to begin with? Oh crap. Okay, that was definitely me being low health, for sure. I don't think I'm doing so good. Some church bells bad thing. Okay, up the vine, up the vine, up the vine. And he's just over there clapping. And he's standing right there. Oh my gosh. Oh. I don't think I'm doing good. This dude is doing such low damage. The difficulty is not on easy, by the way, either. That could be some of my struggle here. Hey, we got something. We're gonna get out of here, because that was rough. I don't think I'm gonna do much better here either. The range is ridiculous. I'm gonna eat every shot that he shoots at me. Every time. Oh gosh. I think I'm having some controller lag again. Who's this? What is this? What is this? I can't afford it, whatever it is. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Goodness. So I get for not paying attention. Keep looking up at that. Yeah, I really messed up. Tell you what, let's start it on a difficulty that ain't insanely hard for me. I ain't seen that before, but here we go. Maybe be a little bit more fair this time. Maybe. Oh my goodness. Wrong button. Nope, no chest over there. I definitely want that drone. I definitely want that. Are you serious? Got it. I think we're doing better this time. I think. We should be, because the difficulty. We'll reassess that later. Cause I'm just a big old goof. We got a little money. I guess we get the foot. The goat. I don't have money for that. Wrong button again. Got money now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think that's good. Oh my goodness. That fall damage. What is this? Oh yes. Yeah, I think we're definitely doing better now. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Can I get down here? How do I get down here? I'm holding down and pressing A, but it's not doing nothing. I want to get down there. Why can I not get down there? Why? Maybe over here to the right. Maybe. Oh, I think so. I think so. I think. Never mind. Oh, we got another chest. We got something good too. Got 2 good drones. Got some nice little perks. I don't think I really needed to come back over here unless there's something hidden. No. I really want to get down here. I really do. But I don't know how. Unless that comes later. Some of these stuff came later on the PS Vita version. So I'm wondering if that's the same thing here. Same case. That is so handy. Oh, that's cool. What the heck? I got lag again. What is going on with the lag? What is going on? Dude, no. Come on, turd, drop down here. What is going on with the lag? That is nice. That is really nice. Well, I think that is all of it. Doing better. Definitely doing better. Should plug up this. Should definitely plug it up, I think. We are out of here. And I'm getting us a charger. I think we need it. I think we do. I really think we do. But here we go. Here we go. Need chests. Oh, I didn't even see that one over there. As many items as we can get. That's what we want. Ooh. I do not know which one to get here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This one? That's good, I think. Yeah, we better go up there and get this too. Well, we wasn't ready for this yet. Is this the meat chunk one? That could be beneficial. It is. That's the meat chunk one. I think we need to find us some more chests before activating that teleporter. Soundtrack on this game is just so good. Oh my goodness. Everything's good. We're all fine. No need to panic. Besides, we're getting meat chunks. I would like more chests. Good stuff. Best believe we want to do that. Should we do this? I guess. Let's do it anyway. I don't know. There's another one. We are getting really lucky this time around. Really lucky. Not gonna get lucky enough to get that off, yes. There is something up there. We gotta get that too. Can't believe I missed that earlier. Such a big old doof. A big old goof. We think we're ready to activate the teleporter? No. Oh, good stuff. We got the money to do it again. And not again. Shooting at the wall. Wow, we could do it again. When we get more money, of course. $357 is what we need. Bouncing brain. It seems stuck. Well, I don't know what else to do. Let's do this. I have a bouncing brain. What? Why does it just stand there? Why is it bouncing in place? Man, who is launching stuff? Oh my goodness. Okay, not good. Right. Like this. What? Alright, we got some good stuff. We didn't lose a drone or nothing, did we? I don't think so. We're definitely doing better. That is for sure. So we're heading out of here now. What is this? What is this? I don't know. Wait, what? Oh. I knew that. Wait, what? Wait, how do we get down there? Now I'm losing drones. Oh my gosh. Brain! What is going on here? I want my drones back. Goodness, they're expensive. Oh, they're good. They're expensive. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Ooh, that's good. How low on health am I? I don't know. Don't seem good. My health anyway. Brain! Bet there's a secret around here somewhere. Maybe over here. No. Double jump would be really handy right about now. We gotta get. We're just gonna keep getting. Wait, do I have double jump now? When did I get that? When did we get that? I think I'd rather my bouncing brain than that key. But, oh, it'd come in handy right about now, wouldn't it? Ah, we got the money. We always have the money. Can't go here? But why? Why would I be... I don't know. I have no idea. That is good. Definitely don't want to get out of here yet. What do we got? What is this one? I don't know what this one is. Brain? Or this. Whatever this is. Create a shadow partner. Is that good? Do we get like double shot or something? Okay, I did it. Did the shadow dude help? Oh, it do. I honestly forgot about the double jump there for a while. I really did. Activate the equipment. Oh! So I gotta keep paying for it. We want that. Oh, we need to go get that. Just figuring out the best way to go get it. That's all. Guess I'll try up here first. Could be wrong. almost forgot something. I think that's a good thing. We definitely want that. Yeah, I think it's time we get ourselves out of here. Now, where was the thing at? That's not it. Golly. I don't remember where the thing is. I ain't seen this dude before neither. Here's the thing. Oh good, I'm stuck. Yeah, he's not stuck. Oh my goodness. He's gonna kill me? We made it. We made it. I think this is the farthest I've been in this game. Okay. At least on the Steam version, that is. I don't know how much health I've even got. Let alone be offering it up like that. I was about to do it again, but didn't realize he split into two. Move. I wish I knew how much health I have. Oh, I wish I knew. I don't have a clue. Oh yeah. I'm a dodo. Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. Still an idiot, but I'm a alive idiot. Oh, all these want health? Probably should not have done that at that time. Well, dang. We completed a challenge. Died 50 times. Cool. Well, that's all the time I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. This was fun. I look forward to doing it again. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time.